Hello dear students, how's going? So I welcome you in the series of this video series of mathematics, and today we will deal with addition of fraction lecture 2, addition lecture 2, right? So let's get a start. So before we will adding with the fraction, let's write here. It's a fraction. So in fraction we have like number 4 upon 5. So here this 4 is called numerator and this 5 is called denominator. Got it? And this one is upon. So how we pronounce it? 4 upon 5. Someone say, many people say like 4 by 5, right? So we can say it's 4 by 5 or 4 upon 5, right? So now we will deal with how we add the addition, how we will add the fraction. So suppose we have a number, question number 1, 4 upon 5. You must take out your pen and pencil and notebook and do with me. And suppose here we have 6 upon 15, right? And we need to add it. So how we will add it? See here. So we will take the LCM of this denominator 5 and 15. So LCM of 5 and 15. See how we will take the LCM. We will do the LCM in very deep in that chapter, but for the time being we just deal with how to take LCM, right? So see here, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Okay. Now if you will, what I did here, I divide by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Now you can divide it by 3. So what is the LCM? We will do it till we get the 1 here. So what is the LCM? 5 into 3. So 15 is the LCM. So right here upon and 15. Now divide. In this table of 5, in how many times I get 15? 5 3 ja 15, right? So what I will do here, 4 into 3 plus, in this table 15, we get 15 in one time. So I will multiply 1 here. So I will get 6. So here we have 4 3 ja 12 plus 6 upon 15. Now we have 18 upon 15. This is the solution. Okay. Let's start with another question. Suppose we have 7 upon 3 plus 4 upon 21. So what I need to do first, if I need to add it, so what you do, just pause the video and do it yourself. Now see, I need to first take the LCM of 3 and 21. So I will take here 2. But there is no number comes in 2 or 3 and 21 in 2's table. So I will take 3 here. Always guys, here, always we take only prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7. The number which comes only their table, right? We can't take here 4, 8, right? So always start with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, like that. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. Now take 7 because 7 is also prime number. 7, this one, this one. Now I get 1, got 1 here. So LCM is 3 into 7. So answer is 21. So put 21 here. Now in the table of 3, I get 21 in how many time? 3 7 ja. So multiply 7 here. So I get 7 into 7, 49 here. Plus, in the table of 21, I get 21 in how many times? 1 time. So multiply 1 here and write 4 1 ja 4. Now add them. So 49 plus 4 is 53 upon 21. Got it? Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Try to add it 3 upon 8 plus 7 upon 4. Try to add it, friends. So what I need to do, take the LCM of 8 and 4. So first I divide it by 2. Please keep remembering that always here we divide first by 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. Every time I take a prime number. Prime number are those number which comes in its own table and in the table of 1, right? So 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Now divide. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Now divide. 2 1 ja 2, 1. So what is the LCM, friends? 2 into 2 into 2. So we have 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, right? So LCM here is 8. Now, so in the table, now what I need to do, I will see in the table of 8, this 8 comes in one time. So multiply here 3 plus in the table of 4, in how many time I get 8? 4 2 ja 8. So that 2 multiply here. So 7 2 ja 14. Got it? Add them. 14 plus 3 is 17 upon 18 is your answer. Right? Now let's move to the another question. Question number 4. Suppose I have a question like 3 plus upon 8, 7 upon 16, 3 upon 12, right? So how I will add it? So pause the video and try your own. Now see how I will do it. Take the LCM of denominator 8, 16 and 12. So 8, 16 and 12. So divide it by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12. Then again 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. Now by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 3. Then by 2. 1, 1, 3. Then 3. 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is this one. 2 multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. So here I will take 48 in denominator. So now what we will do, divide this 48 by this 8. So 8, 6 ja 48. So 6 will go multiply here. 6 3 ja 18. 16 3 ja 48. In how many times in the table of 16 I get 48? 16 3 ja. So 3 multiply here and I will get 21 here. Right? Then 12. In the table of 12, in how many times I get 48? 12 4 ja. So 4 multiply here. 4 3 ja 12. Now add them. So 2 plus 1 3. Right? 3 plus 8. 11. Right? Then 1 I have left with, borrow 1. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 4 plus 1 5. So this is 51 upon 48 is your answer. Right? Now start. Now let's take another question. So question is, suppose I have a number 1, 1 by 2. This is called, dear student, this is called mixed fraction. Okay. This is called mixed fraction. Okay. Mixed fraction. This is fraction and one got mixed. So it mixed fraction. Okay. One more thing I want to say here. You know, this 1 by 2, we can write it 1 plus 1 by 2. You can write this like this one. 1 plus 1 by 2. Suppose we have 2 3 by 4. So how you can write it? 2 plus 3 by 4. Right? But there is another thing. Suppose we have 2 1 by 3. How I can write this mixed fraction into fraction? See here. What is the method? Multiply this 2 by 3 by 2. 3 2 ja 6. And add this one 7. What I did? 3 2 ja 6. And add this one 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. Easy? Is it tasty? Yeah, it's very tasty. Maths is very tasty, guys. Just you need to do it. Practice it. Maths is very easy. In another subjects, what's happened? We need to cram it, learn it. But maths is, very easy. Okay. So, and I make sure that you will score 100% in your math subject. Easily. In your exam, in your competitive exam, in which whenever you will give Navodaya, RMS, RIMC, and any competitive exam, I make sure you will get, if the number is total number is marks is 50, you will get 50 out of 50, right? But just you need to practice. So start now. Suppose we have a fraction 4 1 by 3. Okay. So how I will make this mixed fraction into fraction? I will multiply this 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 13 by 12. 13 by 3. This is 3. So we will write 3 here. Now suppose I have 7 1 by 2. How I will add it? Convert it into fraction. 2 7 ja 14. Multiply 14 plus 1 15. So it's a 15 by 2. Got it? Let's try another number 1 by 3. So what is this? 10 3 ja 30. 30 plus 1 31 by 3. This is the way to convert a mixed fraction into fraction, right? Now suppose we have 31 upon 3 and I want to convert it into mixed fraction now. First, what happened? Here is a mixed fraction, I converted into fraction. Now if we have fraction and we want to convert it in mixed fraction, how we will do? We will say it in division, right? For the time being, leave it and move to the question. So, my dear friends, you have question on your computer screen for rupees 1 lakh. So here is your question. So we have 1 1 2 plus 3 1 4 and we need to add it. So what we will do? See, let the one question I will solve for you, then you will try by your own. So first convert the mixed fraction into fraction. So 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. 3 upon 2 plus 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Okay. Now take the LCM and 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 LCM will come 4. But I am solving it for you. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Then 1 ja and 1 ja. So LCM is 2 2 ja 4. Now what I will do? I will see in the table of 3, 2, this 2, 4 will come in 2 times. 2 2 ja 4. So multiply 2 here. I will get 6 here. Then 4 comes in table of 4 in 1 time. So multiply 1 there and we will get 13 here. 13 plus 6 is 19 upon 4 is your answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Now try to do it and pause the video. Let's see, I am doing the question for you now. If you pause the video and did this question, check it now. And if you didn't solve this question by your own, please pause the video and solve the question. Okay. Now see, answer. Convert this fraction, mixed fraction into fraction. So 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 3 plus 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Plus 9 1 ja 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 by 9. So this is the fraction. Now what I need to do, guys, add, take the LCM of these denominator 3, 6, 9. So take the LCM 3, 6, 9, right? So first I will do with 2, 3, 1, this will not come in table of 3, 2, so we will write 3 here. 2, 3 is 6, 9 is as it is. Now take 3, 3, 1 is 3, 3, 1 is 3, 3, 3 is 9. Now take 3, 1, 1, 1. So what is the answer? This is the LCM. 2, 3 is 6, 6, 3 is 18. So I will take 18 here. See here what happened, when I divide 2 by 2, this 3 by 2, I will write 3 here in LCM. Why? If a number 2, this 3 will not come in table of 2 now, so I will write as it is, right? We do this in LCM. Now what I need to do, take this 3 and divide this 18 by 3. So in the table of 3 I will get 18 in 6 time. So 6 4 is 24. Next 6 3 is 18, divide this 18 by 6, so 6 3 is 18. So we will write here 3 and 13 3 is 39, right? Then 9, in the table of 9 I will get 18 in 2 times. So 2 multiply here, we will get 20 here. Add them. So I will get 9 4 13, 2 plus 1 3 3 6, 6 plus 2 8 upon 18. Okay, this is your answer. Take another number. This is now the question. So what I need to do, first take the LCM of 15, 75 and 9. So let's divide it by 3. 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, then 1 will come here, 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9, right? You know now how to divide. If you don't know how to divide, we will deal with after addition, multiplication and then division. Okay, so it's a 5, then 25, because 25 not comes in table of 3 and 3 1 is 3. Now divide it by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. This one will be here. Now again 5 1 1 1. So what is the LCM? This one is the LCM. 3 3 is 9. Okay, 9 5 is 45. 45 5 is 225. Dekho 45. This is 45. I got here 45 into 5. So 5 5 is 25. 2 5 4 is 20 plus 2 22. 25. 225. Actually, how I did it initially, I said 225. See, 3 3 is 9 and 5 5 is 25. So 25 9 is 225. I must say, remember, remind you that please learn the table. How you will learn the table? In the lecture 1, I told you the way to learn the table or anything which is, for that we don't have time, how we will remember it. So I told you in lecture 1 to how to remember a table. So watch that and do this, do that. It's a very necessary to remember the table. It will very useful in here in mathematics and reasoning also, right? Take the LCM. So LCM is 225 here. Now divide this 15, divide this 225 by 15, means in the table of 15 I will get 225 in how many time? So generally we do like this, 225, and we divide it. So 15 15 ja 225. You divide it. If you don't want to divide it, see here. What is the LCM? LCM is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So cut the 15 from here. 3 5 ja 15, right? So how much I get? 5 3 ja 15. So 15. If you divide this 225 by 15, you will get 15 here. So multiply 15 here. So 12 5 ja 60. We left with 6. 12 1 ja 12 plus 6, 18. Then 75. So divide 225 by 75 means like that. 75 and 225 will go here, come here, right? So if you will divide, how much I will get? So let's not divide here. See, we have LCM 3, 3, 5 into 5. Actually this 225, how I get this, got this 225? By multiplying this number. So cut here 75. So see here, 5, 3 ja 15, 15, 5 ja 75. So I left with 3. Means if you divide this number by 75, you will get 3 here, right? So that 3 multiply here, 9, 3 ja 27. Don't get to divide it. From seeing the LCM, you can do like this way. Now from 9, divide this 225 by 9. So what is the LCM? I am not going to divide it. I will see LCM is 3, 3, 5 into 5. So here I need, here there is a 9 now. So I cut the 9. 3, 3 ja 9, cut it. So I left with 25. So 25 is the answer. So if you divide 225 by 9, you will get the quotient 25. So this 25 quotient is we multiply here. I will get 25. 25 1 ja 25. Now add this 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. So 12, I will left with 1. So 1 plus this 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. Left with 1. And this one 2. And here 2, 25. Okay, this is the answer. So this is how we add the fractions, right? Now try these questions from the practice set. We gave the practice set with your pen drive. So do the question from there, practice, and if you have any problem in doing that question, please inform me on my WhatsApp number, this one. You have this one. We will sure help you, right? Okay. So thank you guys for watching this lecture.